Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok direct messages option not showing. For this, first of all, you just have to open up the TikTok application on your mobile. So you can see, I can't see TikTok direct message option. So what you have to do is you just have to go for phone settings. If you scroll down a little bit, you will see this option app management. Click on it and then go for this app list. And now you can search for TikTok, tap on it. When you are on this page, you can see these options. Just tap on this storage and cache and tap on this clear cache and then tap on this clear data. So you just have to clear the cache and data. Now go back and tap on this permissions. Just make sure you allow all the permissions. Like in my case, I just denied this one permission, so I'm going to allow this like this. You also have to make sure that you allow all the permissions to the TikTok. Now just go back to the settings and open your Play Store application, and in the search bar you just have to search for this TikTok, tap on it, and now if you can see there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version of TikTok application. So if you are up to date, just tap on this open, and now you will see this kind of interface because we clear the storage and data. Just tap on this agree and continue. You can choose your interest topics here, tap on this next and tap on this start watching. And now just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and you have to sign up your account. And now you can see this is my account. I just log into my account. Now just tap on these three bars in the upper right corner, click on settings and privacy, tap on this privacy. Now if you scroll down, you can see the third option, direct messages. This option is visible now. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.